Okay friends, so in this video we'll talk about 3 easy steps to make money with binary options. If you follow all of these 3 steps, then no one can stop you from making money with binary options. And as you can see the result here, okay, this is the exact result that I am getting, okay, and my other Telegram members are getting by following, okay. And these 3 easy steps I'm going to explain you in this video, so watch this video very carefully because it can be life changing for you, okay. So the first thing that you need to know is money management. Now I know you may have heard about money management a lot of time, okay, but in this video I'm going to show you the proof, okay, how money management works. What you need to do is, for example, if you have $200 in your account, okay, then divide that $200 into 10 part. That means you can trade $20 in one trade, okay, and you'll have 10 trades. Now what that does is it will reduce the risk of loss, okay, and increase the chance of profit. How? As you can see, this is the result of today. So I am making trade for $20 each, okay. I'm not neither growing nor decreasing this amount, okay. So I'm trading consistently in one amount, and here you can see 3 trades were profitable and I made over $50 in profit with just 3 trades, okay. Similarly, this is the result of yesterday, okay. 3 trades were right, 1 was wrong, okay, and I was still profitable. I made over $30 profit, okay. Similarly, here you can see it is the similar type of result. Here 2 trades are right, okay. I stopped over $30 per trade was profit. And the consistency, as you can see here, only I trade on $20 per trade, okay, and my budget here is $200 per trade, sorry, $200 in my account, okay. Now exactly this is not my account, this is one of my Telegram subscribers account, okay, that I am explaining. And now she copy trades me, okay, and she get this kind of result. And if you also want to copy trade me, then you can join my Telegram channel by clicking the link that is in the description of this video, okay. But watch this video properly firstly and then go and join that Telegram channel to receive signals. And if you want to join copy trading, you can get the instructions in that Telegram channel. So first thing that you need to know is trading with same amount, okay, again and again, okay. So now we'll talk about next important thing, which is extremely important. Overall 95% of people don't follow this thing, okay, and this is trading in limited volume. I mean limited amount of trades. Don't be like trading 60 times a day or 30 times a day. Trade as little as possible and make as much as more as you can, okay. So as you can see here, today I have made just 3 trades. I was profitable. If I want, then I could have keep on making trade, okay, again another, and whenever there was a loss, one loss, I could have stopped and I could still be profitable. But I didn't do that because over trading is not good, okay. It is not good for your psychology, not good for your binary trading career. It is not good for anything, okay. That's why you need to limit trade. If you are satisfied with these 3 trades that is profitable, okay, then stop trading for that day. There is another day to trade. Similarly, here you can see I made 1 trade wrong here, okay, and 3 trade were consistently right. Now I could have made 4 trade, okay, which is logical, okay, we can make, okay, until we don't make 1 loss, okay. Once we make 1 loss, then we could stop trading for that day. But I stopped at here and didn't do over trading, okay. Now I thought I would trade on next day, and here you can see the result of next day. And here also you can see 2 trades were profit. I didn't feel good to go to third trade. I stopped trading for that day, and here you can see all of these days are giving me consistent profit, okay. And all of these people who are copying me inside my Telegram channel are also making this kind of amount of money on a regular basis. Now the third thing, okay, now third thing is, firstly, you can easily copy my trade, or you can join my Telegram channel and get signal, okay, and trade on that signal, okay. And if you want to don't want to go that route, then what you can do is you can learn some strategies, okay. If you see in my YouTube channel, there are lots of strategy and all of them are working strategy, okay. Now not all of strategy works for the 100% of time, okay. No any indicator works for the 100% of the time, but at certain point some indicator work, some strategy work. And if you can identify that strategy, that indicator that especially works for you, okay, then you can keep on using that strategy, firstly by testing it in demo account, okay. And all of these strategy you can watch in my YouTube channel, okay. You can find out there are various strategies. And guys, do like this video. If you have any question, then do ask me in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.